Hello friends, it's Andreas Batakis with another Toronto real estate thoughts of the week. And what do I want to talk to you about tonight? Two things coming into effect from January 1st of 2023. I know you think it's early, but it's just around the corner. So number one that is important for any homeowner to know is that within the city of Toronto, if you have a property, a condo, or a home that stays vacant, empty for more than 6 months a year, there's going to be an additional tax of 1% for that property. Now, this is where it gets not tricky, but it's a point where you have to be careful. They will send something via mail so you can do a declaration. If you don't fill in the declaration, if you happen to be away from the country for holidays for 6 months, or whatever the case may be, if they don't receive that declaration within the set time frame, they will automatically assume that that property that you didn't declare that it has someone living in it, maybe yourself, maybe a tenant, doesn't matter, will be considered as vacant, and automatically you will have to pay that 1% of tax. So be careful with that. Just be aware of it. So when it comes out, you just deal with it with the way that you would, and make sure that you attend to the timelines. Number two, which is also very important and actually changes, is that if someone buys a residence after, be careful with this, after January 1st, 2023, and they sell that residence in less than 12 months, if they make any profit, if you make any profit, they will tax that whole profit. They will consider it as taxable income, and furthermore, they will consider it as business income. So they will tax it accordingly. There will be a number of exceptions. So for example, a married couple buys a home, and then in less than 12 months they're divorcing and they decide to sell the home. That would be one of the exceptions, for example. But be very careful, because that's going to come into force, and they will be very thorough about it, because they want to avoid flipping of homes. That's what they're trying to do. So these are the news. Let me know of your thoughts. Share your likes, and looking forward to see you next week.